Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. You have lot of questions regarding the topic. It's Neet PG 2020 important one-liners 100 parts. You have lot of questions and queries regarding this. So, our today's topic. Today I am going to explain you Neet PG 2020 exam. How you are able to crack in a short duration within 45 days. I already told you, and after within 45 days I am going to finish this 100 important one liners. I am going to finish in 45 days. It contains 1000 important one liners. If you see in an exam question, your direct strikes the answer. For example, the drug of choice in BPH with hypertension, that is prazosin. Drug of choice in scorpion bite, that is prazosin C. Drug of choice in BPS, that is alpha blocker, tamsulosin. We can say sildosin, alfuzosin. These are the drugs. Okay. So about the drugs and everything, all subjects I cover in 1000 important one-liners. But your query: is it possible for you to crack the exam with this 1000 important one-liners if you learn by heart? So guys, if you really want to crack the exam, yes, this is helpful. This folder is very much helpful. I am sure. If you learn by heart, it's very much high probability to clear the exam. But if you 100% want to clear the exam, then go through this 500 important topics folder. This will help you definitely 100%. These two folders in my playlist, 100% you are able to crack the exam. Anyhow, if you learn by heart these two folders, definitely nobody will stop you in an exam. If you want to score excellent rank like below 5000, then you have to go through the theory, but now time is less. Subject wise MCQ theory I already put there: hematology, endocrinology, rest, pulmonology, neurology. If you go through that theory, but now no need to waste time in this theory. If you don't able to understand some topic, you can go and watch in my playlist. But these two playlists never forgot to learn. And one more thing, 45 days I am going to complete within 45 days this, and after that you have 1 month more. After that you have 1 month more. In that 1 month I am going to prepare 7 papers for Neet PG 2020. 7 papers, each paper contain 300 MCQs. Each paper, practice paper for you all. You have to practice well, but that is the revision strategy. But firstly, we have target this 500 important topics folder, Neet PG 2020 important one-liners, and this one is very important. High yield star mark on this. So I like to put every day 2 parts of this. Okay. And till now I already put 6 parts, so please don't make any doubt inside your brain. Be motivated, be confident, never be quit. Never be quit. Some students ask if they've learned by heart this folder, is it possible to crack the exam? So I really want to clear. And one doctor writes that no, it's not possible. How did you know, guy? If you don't know which questions I am going to put here, I am going to put here very high yield MCQs. They have lot of probability to come in an exam, that is very high yield. According to my experience, I told you, examiner don't have too much questions. They every year like to ask repeatedly, but languages are different. Languages are different. I will tell you. The drug of choice in scorpion bite, that is prazosin. And next year, how they like to put: a patient suffering from pulmonary edema due to scorpion bite. The drug of choice is, don't think about pulmonary edema. The drug of choice in scorpion bite, that is prazosin, and you have to give the prazosin. Okay. In such a manner, you have to learn. The drug contraindicated in pregnancy, every year they like to ask. This is a simple funda question. So I am going to put a most common question. Which disorder is autosomal dominant, which is autosomal recessive, which one is X-linked recessive, which one is X-linked dominant. They like to ask every year 1-2 question you are going to take. So I know what kind of paper they are going to prepare. From Indradhanush Yojana, from 2018 till 2019, the lot of time they like to ask in JIPMAR Indradhanush they ask, in DNV they ask, in like UPSC exam they like to ask, so many in AIMS they like to ask about. Indradhanush shows now how many vaccines, total 7 vaccines: DPT, measles, tuberculosis, polio, hepatitis B, and in some state Japanese encephalitis. So I know what kind of question they like to ask. So guys, I really summarize a lot, and I really want to give you all the messages lastly for you all, that guys please prepare with me, because I really know which topics are helpful. If you are going to join a coaching notes, they teach you a lot and you feel you are depressed, you need to be quit, you don't know nothing. They explain you a lot. You feel that study is like a sea. Study is not like a sea. Study is a simple forward. Yeah. If you want to score first rank, second rank, 10th rank, then you can study like whole sea. But if you want to crack the exam, if you want to score below rank 10,000, you have to follow these topics. Learn short and sweet and memorize it. Your basics and funda should be very much clear. If your basics are clear, you can clear any exam of this world. And lastly, I want to say one thing in Hindi. हम वो है जो पत्थर को भी इंसान बना देते हैं, ठीक है? अगर पत्थर हो ना कोई, तो उसको भी हम डॉक्टर बना सकते हैं. I have lot of theory, lot of experience. So guys, thank you, good day, goodbye, and be motivated. Namaskar.